Understanding what a woman is looking for in a man is the first secret to seducing a woman. For many men, the concept of how to seduce a woman is simply a mystery. It's understandable though. Men and women differ in so many ways that it really is difficult for many men to really grasp how to get inside the mind of the opposite sex. The true secret to seducing a woman isn't a mere laundry list to check off, step by step. It's more a guidebook on the path you must follow to completely seduce a woman mind, body and soul. And believe it or not, what really gets a woman going is much simpler than you may have ever imagined. And what does get a woman going? Secret number 1, communication. Communication is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. By actively listening and engaging in meaningful conversations, a man can understand a woman's interests, thoughts, and feelings. You want to take the time to really get to know her and what she's looking for. This level of understanding is essential for building trust and emotional intimacy. Secret number 2, patience. Rushing can often lead to misunderstandings or make a woman feel undervalued. Taking the time to understand and appreciate a woman shows that a man values her beyond superficial aspects. This patience also allows for the development of a deeper, more significant connection. A woman wants to know that you aren't just playing her for a quick one-night stand. And the best way to prove yourself is to take your time. Secret number 3, romance. Romance is about showing thoughtfulness and appreciation. All in all, women want to feel special. Being romantic makes women feel special. So if you want to seduce your woman, you have to be romantic. This shows you care. You're in tune with her needs, and you know how to treat a lady. Whether it's candlelit dinners or just remembering how she likes her coffee, romance will take you a long way in seducing a woman. Ultimately, seducing a woman isn't like cracking a secret code or winning a video game. It's about genuine connection, thoughtful gestures, and a dash of charm. It's about making her feel seen, heard, and valued. Remember, it's not a race. It's more like a leisurely stroll through the park of romance.